If I had to start over in 2026, no clients, no brand, no team, I'd still build a multi-six-figure practice faster than most advisors ever will. Because success in this business isn't about products, carriers, or luck. It's about positioning, precision, and psychology. Today, I'll show you exactly what I'd do if I had to rebuild from scratch, step by step. I'm John McDonough. For over 20 years, I've helped business owners, executives, and global families design large-case, premium-financed, and self-funded life insurance portfolios. I've seen advisors chase shiny objects for years, and I've also seen the ones who build real wealth, freedom, and credibility. If I were starting over, here's the blueprint. In 2026, the money's not in selling policies. It's in solving problems for a specific market. I'd pick one vertical with real pain. Business owners facing liquidity or succession challenges. Global families dealing with estate tax drag. Physicians or executives with excess income but no efficient structure. Then I'd build every piece of my marketing around that audience's language, not mine. Because experts own categories, generalists chase scraps. No cold calls, no DMs, no dancing on TikTok, just clarity and credibility. I'd create one video per week answering the real questions my target market asks. How do I fund a buy-sell efficiently? What's the difference between premium finance and self-funding? Why is my existing IUL underperforming? I'd turn every conversation into content. Then use that library as my digital proof of expertise. I wouldn't chase clients. I'd invest in relationships with CPAs, attorneys, and bankers who already have them. And I wouldn't ask for referrals. I'd bring value first. I have a client who needs your help with a trust or liquidity issue. Mind if I make the intro? Play the long game. When you feed others first, reciprocity builds your brand. I wouldn't try to sell everything. I'd master one repeatable playbook. The premium finance model for high-income clients or the self-funded efficiency model for entrepreneurs. One message, one strategy, one playbook. Because simplicity scales, fancy fails. I'd never tell people what I do. I'd show them. Through case design stories, visual models, and short explainer videos. Credibility today is earned through demonstration, not declaration. Advisors who teach win. Advisors who pitch lose. If I started over, I'd stop chasing volume. I'd create a private calendar, 10 high-intent meetings a month max. Scarcity sells. People value what's limited. When your positioning says, I only take on 2 new clients this quarter, you flip the frame. Now they're qualifying for you. The fastest way to grow in this business is to model someone who's already where you want to be. That's why I created the JMac Method Elite Case Closer Academy. It's the program I wish I had when I started. The exact system I use now to train advisors to close 250K 1M plus target premium cases. Learn it, apply it, then teach it. That's how you go from producer to leader. If I started over in 2026, I wouldn't change industries. I'd just change my focus from selling insurance to building influence. And that's what I teach inside the JMac Method Elite Case Closer Academy. If you want the roadmap to leapfrog the learning curve and build a practice designed for scale, authority, and purpose, apply using the link below. Remember, the future belongs to those who execute with clarity, not those who wait for luck.